This play begins with the bases loaded and no outs. This still shot shows that R3 did indeed miss the plate. When R3 misses the plate and R2 touches the plate prior to R3's return to touch, by rule R3 cannot legally touch the plate. However, for R3 to be ruled out, there must be a proper appeal. Without the proper appeal, R3's actions would be legal, and R3's run would count. Federation Rule 8, Section 2, Article 3. Any runner who misses a base while advancing may not return to touch it after a falling runner has scored. Federation Rule 8, Section 2, Articles 1 through 5. Penalty. A live ball appeal may be made by a defensive player with the ball in his possession by tagging the runner or touching the base that was missed or left too early. It's important to note that the defensive team did execute a legal live ball appeal. Time was never called. The defensive player with possession of the ball not only touched the missed base, but also tagged R3, who did initially miss the base, to alert the umpire crew that there was a base running infraction. Let's pretend the defense never appeals R3's miss of the plate. Both R2 and R3's runs would count if the defense does not legally appeal. If this play began with 2 outs and R3 missed the plate, R2 touched the plate, and then R3 comes back to touch it, the defensive team legally appeals R3 missing the plate. R3 would be ruled out, and R2's run would not count. The reason behind R2's run not counting is that the appeal of R3 missing the plate is a force out. The force out would be the 3rd out of the half inning, and by rule no runs can score when the 3rd out of the half inning is a force out. Federation Rule 9, Section 1, Article 1. A runner scores 1 run each time the runner legally advances and touches first, second, third, and then home plate before there are 3 outs to end the inning. Exception: a run is not scored if the runner advances to home plate during action in which the 3rd out is made as follows. Letter D. When a 3rd out is declared during a play resulting from a valid defensive appeal, which results in a force out, this takes precedent if the enforcement of it would negate a score.